Hey guys, guess who? Captain B. I see blue skies. I see the sun. Hello. And we're supposed to get a cold front. The dock is not over water, so I can go fishing. But I came down to check on the raging creek, which is no longer a raging creek. Thank God. Because the rain kind of abated Sunday, which was yesterday. And we just had little sprinkles this morning. And maybe a thunder shower or two this afternoon. But oh my goodness, that tree is going to be a good fishing spot. So, sometime this week. Oh, here comes our helicopter. Hello. Let's see who it is. It sounds sorta. Oh Lord, there's a hawk up there. Don't hit that. Oh boy. Whoa, Nelly. Good, he's going up. Maybe a medevac helicopter. Let's see. But boy, that hawk is pretty high. I mean, not hawk, buzzard. That sounds like medevac. I don't see it this time because I'm back here. I still don't see it, but I hear it. Oh well, let's keep on our mission. But anyway, see that tree? That's a good fishing spot. We already seen the bass there. So we're gonna fish on this side. Besides, it won't be in the sun. Okay, this is looking normal and clear. That's what I mean. This is our normal spring-fed creek. That clicking noise is my walking stick, guys. But I like the pond when it's up. We always have a little waterfall, which I've showed y'all on other videos. But oh my God, what a day, what a difference a day makes. That was getting scary. I've seen it worse than that. I've actually seen it on the low point of the pond come over into our pond. And you talk about, oh my God, like, did we lose this? Not this, but look. This is where you were seeing yesterday the raging water, or the day before, not yesterday. And there's the swimming hole getting cleaned out. What a difference a day makes. Oh, that breeze feels good. Hello. You see how it's gotten cleared up? Don't smell like sewage. This is how, you know, it's still a little fast for the runoff on land, but this is land runoff. It's clear. I'm going to clear some of this out so I can look at it much better. Put myself on YouTube with it because I don't want to fall in. I bought my trusty, I don't know if I can see that. I like to look at it better than this. Shoot, when I end my day, I just pop myself right back down there. That is an interesting hickory tree all the way back here. The birds drop their stuff. But isn't this amazing? What a difference. Let's go see what the others look like. Gotta take my walking stick. Yeah, I normally try to keep this clean so I can see. What a difference, guys. I mean, that water was raging all the way up there. You see those little potholes? I don't know if you can see it with this. Let me move this without falling. That's where those waterfalls dig into the land, and then sadly it just collapses. Ooh, I hear my scarlet tanager. They always stay at the tops of the trees. Uh-oh, he's giving an alert sound. Here he comes. He's right here, guys. He's right behind this tree. I don't know what they're alerting to. There he is. There he is. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Can't find him, guys. Here he is. That's the summer tanager, guys, not the scarlet, because it's got yellow wings and not black wings. What a treat. Okay, I know what they're fussing about. There's a hawk nearby. Oh, please don't get their babies. We have summer tanagers. That's the male. Oh, what a treat. Why is it not focusing? He's having a conniption. They better not get his babies. Okay, now it went over there. What a treat to see, because like I said, everybody's having a duck because of hear the hawk. I'm sorry, guys. I'm trying to find. Let me see if I can get a picture. I won't hang up. Hang up. Okay, guys. This is the day after. It quit raining yesterday, just with some light showers. So it got 3.5 inches of rain in my rain gauge here. And remember, it was raging over this. This is kind of hardened clay. The sun came out. It's kind of diverted over here. It was running in two places. Kind of like it when it runs more over that way than the berm here. But I don't know if you can cut it out or what, but anyway, what a day. What a difference a day makes. Hello. Captain B, signing off.